guys, it's Evie and welcome back to my channel. I look disgusting right now. This setup is kind of confusing me because it just doesn't, I can't find a setup in my house that actually looks kind of decent. We're just gonna kind of go with it. So today I'm gonna be doing a everyday makeup thing because I've got into a rhythm with my makeup that makes no sense. This background is really annoying me. This is not making me happy. So, oh look, it's my essay that I got a D on. That is annoying me as well. Okay, that's a bit better. Also, I don't know why I'm acting like I have the whole afternoon. I still need to pack my bag and sort everything out. I need to leave in 40 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the makeup. Hope you enjoy it. I've got my mirror here, so if I look here, that's why. But first of all, I'll be doing moisturizer because that is very important. My skin's been so dry recently. So I put on this moisturizer. I think it's finished. I think I got it from my auntie. If I don't put it on, my makeup is just gonna go crusty on my face because it's dry. So I try and put it on. We're in a happy new year now, aren't we? But we're in a new decade, new year as well. So let me know your New Year's resolutions down below. I actually kind of have some. I'm not really sticking to them. I'm trying to eat healthier, stick to the gym, which I started a bit later on in January, but I have started going to the gym now, so I'm trying to stick to it. I mean, we'll see what happens. Also, my main one is to be a lot less insecure, not just what I look like, because as we know, I'm really insecure about my personality as well. So I feel like I need to kind of be less insecure about that because I'm so paranoid all the time that everyone hates me and all of this. It's really annoying. If you know me, I'm so sorry. My skin also is so bad, this side of my cheek. Please ignore that. But basically, once I have done that, I will do some primer. So there are a few different primers I usually use. I'm going to use this one today just because I got it, it's new, just kind of felt like it. It's an MUA primer oil. Now, I used this for the first time the other day. I actually hope it does something to keep my makeup on because when I'm at school, my makeup just doesn't stay on for anything. I had a cough for 1.5 weeks now. It's getting really boring. So let's hope by the time I upload this, it's gone. Keep waking up in the night because I keep coughing and it's just not a look for me. But basically, moving on to concealer. For concealer, I will use one of two. One of them's running out, so I did buy a new one. I have this Bourjois concealer, which I've literally had for the longest time. It's been 2 years. It's probably gone off, but I still use it because I'm gross. I also have this Glossier concealer, which is new. I have nails on right now, so I can't really dip my finger in it. So what I try, well actually, to be honest, I can, it's just harder. Why am I so dramatic? I literally can. I used to do so many makeup videos thinking that I could do really nice makeup looks and they, in actual fact, looked really bad, but we're not gonna tell 2016 Evie about that. And I'll just kind of put it under my eyes. I don't know how much to put on. This is label. I don't know. I need to get my brushes. I've got a text message from Cordelia. Oh, she sent me two. Getting spoiled. And then on my cheeks and stuff, I feel like this one might have a bit better coverage, so I'm gonna put this on my cheeks. I don't put it directly on my spots because I don't want to spread bacteria because, you know, I'm a beauty guru. Also, I don't know why I'm making such an effort. I think it's just because I wanted to film a video today, so I was like, I'm gonna put all this makeup on. This is a makeup that I will do every time I'm going out, if you get what I mean. Meeting up with someone or something. For school, like I said, I will usually just do mascara, but recently I have been doing this a lot more. So is this my everyday makeup look or am I lying to you? Is this clickbait? Oh, kind of scary. Obviously, I have not covered completely, but if I put loads more on, it's gonna end up going really cakey and gross. And then we're gonna move on to some powder. I'm taking so long, I need to leave. Okay, yeah, I'm really taking a quick minute, and not a quick minute, a slow minute. Yeah, it's not a thermal spray. It will keep it hot. For a bit, not as long as this. I don't know. I'm really bad at decisions. Okay, so it's already creasing on my eyelids. That's just what happens with concealer. Again, I got a new powder. I ran out of my other one. So I just got an MUA one because I was at the end of the day, they're all going to have the same ingredients. Ingredients? Is that the word? It is, ingredients. I feel like that's what you put when you're cooking. And I prefer these ones because I just find them more fun to put on. Because I'm 3 years old. I'm a sucker for setting my makeup. That's disgusting. Shut up. It's collecting here and it's so dry. Anyway, that's just not floating my boat, but we'll have to just make do. Is this a fail makeup tutorial? But I don't know how to do it, alright? Just leave it out. Now I've done that, I need to be quick. I don't know why I'm taking so long. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the other places. I know you're meant to put cream products on before you set everything, but I just don't like doing it in that order because it just stresses me out. I do a powder bronzer if I do some. What? Do some? I don't know what I'm on about. This, right, I got this as a tester in a, I don't want to put too much on, when I ordered Too Faced makeup, and it's literally lasted me like 2 years, and I know that's probably kind of gross, but like it's lasted me so long. I don't know why they give such big testers. That is bronzer. You literally can't tell a difference because I'm boring like that, but it's fine. I'm sorry if the angle changed. I didn't end up filming me doing blusher, very sorry about that. Basically use, where is it? Glossier again, and this is in the shade Dusk. I actually got 2 of these, one from Kieran Ella and then one from my dad's work partner and his wife for my birthday. I'm so gassed. I literally love them so much, so I'm so happy I have 2 of them. But basically, I don't know if you can tell, I really don't put too much on because I don't want it to be like crazy, and also I don't want it to like really bring attention to these little bad boys over here. But I put some of that on, and then I'll put on some highlight. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is Glossier Boy Brow, and I basically just put this through my eyebrows. Again, I got from Kieran Ella, which I love. Now I will do some mascara. So this is Glossier Lash Slick. I get it on my eyelid every time. So once I have done some mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and try and do my cream blusher. I will basically just use whatever is on hand. Sometimes it's High Beam, sometimes it's my Berry M1. I'm gonna use my Freedom cream highlight. I just use this gold one. I don't really know what this is. I just got this, I think there's a kit like ages ago, and it's actually really nice. If I have time, I'll just shove some on the Cupid's bow. That is basically my makeup. I will finish off with some setting sprays. This is literally just Glam Glow. I just use whatever I have. And that is pretty much my makeup for school. It's like really natural, but it kind of makes me feel a little bit more confident. And then obviously I'm gonna take my hair out when I get to school, so I know it kind of looks bad right now. I need to like leave like now, so I don't really know what my plan is. I'm gonna probably end up being late. That's really great. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and let me know again any video requests down below that you have, and that's pretty much all I need to say, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.